Is creatine truly the miracle solution for muscle growth that many believe it to be, or are there hidden aspects to this widely used supplement? Let's explore how creatine can or cannot integrate into your fitness journey. By the end, I will help you determine if it is the right choice for your objectives or if there might be a superior alternative available to enhance your gains. Does creatine lead to weight gain? Who should steer clear of it? Are there any potential side effects? All these questions and more will be addressed soon. So, what is creatine exactly? In simple terms, creatine is a compound naturally found in muscle cells that assists your muscles in generating energy during intense lifting or high-intensity exercises. Creatine is crucial in the energy production process within the body. It aids in recycling ATP, the main energy carrier in our cells, especially during brief bouts of strenuous activity. This is why creatine is vital for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Its rise in popularity within the fitness and sports community is not just a trend. Creatine has been extensively researched and is proven to boost strength, increase lean muscle mass, and help muscles recover more swiftly during workouts. This means you can train harder and reach your fitness objectives more quickly, and we will delve deeper into his later, so stick with this video till the end. Despite its popularity and proven advantages, various myths and misunderstandings about creatine persist. Here are some of the most relevant ones. First, regarding safety concerns, creatine is among the most studied supplements available, and scientists largely agree that it is safe for long-term use in healthy individuals. Numerous studies have shown no negative impact on kidney or liver function from creatine supplementation in the typically recommended doses for athletic performance. What about hydration and cramps? This myth probably arises from creatine's role in pulling water into muscle cells. However, research indicates that it may actually enhance hydration and lower the risk of cramps by keeping fluid balance within the muscle cells. This leads me to a crucial point about the quality of supplementation. I want to thank Momentous for sponsoring this video. Their creatine monohydrate stands out in a saturated market for several reasons. Firstly, it is supported by extensive research that demonstrates it is more effective than other forms. What differentiates Momentous is their commitment to purity. The creatine is a single-source ingredient, and no sugar, artificial flavors, or fillers, just pure, unadulterated creatine. For those worried about taste, it is unflavored, blending seamlessly into your favorite beverage without changing its flavor, making it ideal for a pre-workout boost or post-workout recovery. Whether you are an athlete or a casual gym goer, Momentous creatine is fully NSF and Informed Sports certified, so there is no doubt regarding safety and compliance, as it meets the highest quality and safety standards. Additionally, for overall wellness, their omega-3 supplement promotes heart, brain, and joint health, making them a perfect tool for your fitness journey. In fact, creatine has even been shown to enhance productivity levels, but more on that later. Elevate your training and health with Momentous. Check the first link in the description for 15% of your Momentous order. Trust me, your body will be grateful. How does creatine accomplish all of this within the body? Creatine is known to increase water retention within muscle cells, which can theoretically help maintain hydration levels. This, in turn, reduces the chances of cramps, especially during activities that typically raise the risk of dehydration, like exercising in hot and humid conditions. Lastly, there's the myth of a quick fix. Creatine is not a magic pill that grants you muscle mass effortlessly. Instead, it enhances your ability to perform high-intensity work, allowing you to exert yourself more during workouts and stimulate muscle growth over time. A proper diet and consistent training are still essential. Alright, creatine's reputation as a muscle booster is well established, but what about its specific effects? First, regarding muscle strength and endurance, creatine is acclaimed for its capacity to enhance muscle strength and endurance. This is achieved by increasing the availability of ATP, the energy molecule. ATP is the primary energy carrier in all living organisms, including humans, and is essential for muscle contractions. When you consume creatine, your body quickly produces ATP during short-duration, high-intensity exercises. Consequently, creatine supplementation increases the intensity and duration of training sessions. Numerous studies have shown that taking creatine can lead to substantial enhancements in performance for both strength and endurance activities. These improvements are often seen as heightened maximal strength, explosive power, and total work done during high-intensity work. workouts. For endurance, the benefits are more indirect. Creatine allows for more intense training, which may enhance aerobic capacity and endurance over time. Secondly, let's discuss cognitive enhancement. Moving to brain function, the benefits of creatine are not limited to muscles. Research indicates that creatine plays an important role in energy metabolism within the brain, leading to improved cognitive abilities, particularly under stress or sleep deprivation. Moreover, creatine supplementation has been linked to enhanced memory, attention, and reaction times across different populations, especially in older adults and vegetarians who may have lower creatine levels due to dietary limitations, resulting in cognitive decline. Thirdly, regarding metabolic health, creatine has shown potential in improving glucose metabolism, which could be relevant for diabetes management and prevention. It aids in the efficient transport and use of glucose in the body, enhancing insulin sensitivity. This aspect of creatine is particularly compelling in light of the global rise in metabolic health issues. Studies have also indicated that creatine might help enhance insulin production, increase muscle sugar storage, and lower high blood sugar levels in animal studies. Exercise also offers numerous metabolic benefits such as improving muscle sugar uptake without the need for insulin and increasing insulin efficiency. Thus, combining creatine supplementation with exercise may further enhance glucose metabolism. Fourth, let's talk about heart health. Creatine also extends its benefits to heart function. Recent studies reveal that creatine is a vital component for heart contractions and energy metabolism. Its ability to support cardiovascular function is rooted in its capacity to increase creatine phosphate levels within various cells, including cardiac muscle cells. This may improve VTP availability, which is crucial for maintaining proper heart function, especially during heightened physical demands or stress. By supporting the heart's energy needs, creatine might offer a protective effect against various heart issues and promote overall cardiovascular health. Lastly, let's examine neuroprotection and aging. One of the most exciting areas of creatine research involves its potential for neuroprotection. It is being investigated for its capacity to support brain health. Creatine has antioxidant properties that help neutralize harmful free radicals generated during oxidative stress, a condition linked with neurodegenerative diseases and cognitive decline. By reducing oxidative stress, creatine can safeguard neurons from damage and death, promoting overall brain health. A study showed that administering creatine orally might enhance short-term memory and reasoning skills in healthy individuals. The findings suggest possible benefits for those who are aging or experiencing stress. Furthermore, creatine may hold potential for preventing and possibly slowing the progression of neurodegenerative disorders such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. How does it work? Creatine is believed to provide protection against excitotoxicity, a pathological process where excessive stimulation by neurotransmitters like glutamate leads to neuron injury and death. This protective effect can be critical in preventing neurodegenerative changes associated with diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Understanding the extensive benefits of creatine is one aspect. Effectively utilizing it is where the real magic lies. Let's discuss how you can incorporate creatine into your supplementation routine for maximum benefit. The most common and effective method to start using creatine involves a loading phase, consuming around 20 grams per day divided into 4 doses over 5 to 7 days. This approach quickly saturates your muscles with creatine. After the loading phase, switch to a maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams daily. This regimen has been shown to effectively enhance muscle creatine stores, boosting strength and performance. Regarding timing, research suggests that taking creatine right before or after your workout might offer slight advantages compared to other times. The theory is that your muscles may be more receptive to creatine uptake around your training sessions. Not all creatine products are equal. The effectiveness of your supplementation can significantly depend on the product's quality. This is where our sponsor, Momentus, comes into play. Their creatine monohydrate exemplifies purity and effectiveness, ensuring you gain the most from your supplementation without any undesirable additives. It is NSF and Informed Sports certified, meaning it adheres to strict safety and quality standards. It's important to note that the product is unflavored, allowing you to easily mix it into water, juice, or your post-workout shake. The key to maximizing the benefits of creatine lies in maintaining consistency with your supplementation routine while also adhering to a balanced diet and engaging in regular exercise. By selecting a high-quality supplement like momentous creatine monohydrate following the suggested dosing and timing and incorporating it into your daily habits, you'll create an environment conducive to improved performance, recovery, and overall wellness. As we focus on the advantages of creatine and its usage, it's natural to have some questions or concerns. Common inquiries regarding creatine's use include potential side effects. Creatine is among the most extensively studied supplements, and for the majority of individuals, it is entirely safe with minimal to no adverse effects. However, some people may experience mild issues, such as bloating or stomach discomfort, especially during the loading phase. These symptoms are generally temporary and can often be mitigated by opting for a lower maintenance dose. Who should be cautious about using creatine? While creatine is safe for most, certain individuals should be careful or avoid it altogether. Those with existing kidney conditions should seek advice from their healthcare provider before starting creatine, due to its influence on creatinine levels, which are used to assess kidney function. Additionally, if you are pregnant or nursing, it is advisable to err on the side of caution and refrain from supplementation. How long can creatine be taken? Long-term studies indicate that creatine can be safely consumed for several years without negative health impacts. Nonetheless, as with any supplement, it is prudent to periodically reassess your supplementation plan with a healthcare professional, particularly if you have pre-existing health concerns. Does creatine cause weight gain? While creatine can lead to weight gain, it is not typically the type of weight gain that may cause concern. The initial weight increase is usually due to water retention within the muscles, rather than fat accumulation. Over time, any additional weight gain is likely a result of increased muscle mass due to enhanced training performance, not an increase in body fat. Can creatine benefit non-athletes? Certainly. Beyond enhancing athletic performance, creatine has been found to aid cognitive function, alleviate mental fatigue, and may even possess neuroprotective effects. Thus, even if you are not an athlete, creatine could provide advantages that contribute to a healthy lifestyle. While creatine is widely regarded as the top fitness supplement, it's important to recognize that there's much more to consider. Relying solely on creatine won't magically transform your physique into your desired form. Diet, consistent exercise, and overall commitment are essential components beyond supplementation. If you truly want to elevate your results, be sure to explore additional resources such as this video.